Standing favorite, Mighty Zeus, number 4. Halfway through, all set, ready to race. Race number 1, Santa Ana Park. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Mighty Zeus from the outside. It's Mighty Zeus in the lead, and moving up on the inside is entry number 2, Lakota Spear. It's now Lakota Spear Bahapalang, followed by Mighty Zeus. And Mas Masaya sa Pinas on the outside is Madame Rhea. And at the mid-back stretch, it's Lakota Spear Bahapalang, followed by Mighty Zeus on the outside in second. And closing in third is Madame Rhea, Mas Masaya sa Pinas. And at the far turn, it's Mighty Zeus on the outside, Lakota Spear by the rail, and closing in third, Madame Rhea. Mas Masaya sa Pinas is running in fourth by 5.5 lengths. The last bend for home is Mighty Zeus by the rail. Moving up on the outside is Madame Rhea. It's Mighty Zeus and Madame Rhea fighting it out for the lead, and Lakota Spear is running in third. At the top of the stretch is now Madame Rhea on the outside. It's Madame Rhea on the outside and Mighty Zeus by the rail. It's Mighty Zeus once again by the rail on the outside. It's Madame Rhea. It's Mighty Zeus and Madame Rhea on the outside. And finally at the payoff line, it's Mighty Zeus, Madame Rhea, Mas Masaya sa Pinas is coming in fourth. Lakota Spear is third. And